Raku firing isn't just a process, it's a performance, and you can do it with a simple setup right in your backyard. Let's walk through how I do my firing process step by step. You're going to always start with bisqueware first. Raku glazes often contain metallic oxides, like copper, iron, or cobalt. When fired and reduced, these metals react with the flame and smoke to create those wild, unpredictable finishes, like crackle, matte blacks, and that signature iridescent sheen. Copper-based glazes, in particular, can shift from red to blue to green, depending entirely how the fire and smoke interact with the surface. Once our work is glazed and dried, it's ready to load into the Raku kiln, which in this case is a metal trash can lined with ceramic fiber insulation, with a propane torch called a venturi burner feeding in through the bottom. Once you fire up the kiln, you're going to gradually increase the temperature until the glaze starts to reach the melting point, which is approximately 1850 degrees or cone 06. And here's where Raku gets a little more dramatic. You pull the glowing red hot pots from the kiln with metal tongs and place them in a can filled with sawdust, straw, or newspaper, really anything combustible. The combustibles then ignite immediately, and once you close the lid, you're creating a process called reduction, which is basically the absence of oxygen. This is what creates the magic of Raku. The smoke pulls oxygen from the glaze and leaves behind metallic lusters, a smoky array of charcoal and black, and spontaneous flame patterns. No two pieces will ever come out the same. Sometimes you get a rainbow shimmer, sometimes a deep copper blush, or a ghostly halo where the flame once danced on the piece inside of the kiln. It's risky, it's raw, and honestly, it's quite addicting. Every firing feels like Christmas morning. Raku reminds us all that beauty isn't about control. It's about letting go and letting fire do its thing. Would you ever try this fiery art form yourself? Or maybe you already have. Let me know in the comments. Follow along if you like the content, and thanks for watching.